What kind of sorcery is this? How did Xiaomi do this? How did they hide their upcoming device from the prying tech community? The launch of the Xiaomi Mi 9 is just 6 days away, and we haven't gotten any live leaks of the device. All we have gotten so far are spec rumors. Oh wait, not so fast. Welcome guys. So, the Xiaomi Mi 9 was leaked yesterday in a series of live images. The first ever live leak we have seen of the device, and it confirms a couple of things we already know, like the teardrop notch and the triple camera setup at the back. The phone has an even bezel all around, similar to that on the iPhone XS, which isn't surprising considering Xiaomi is Apple's #1 copycat. But hey, they bring a similarly beautiful device with even performance to that of the iPhone at half the price. So yeah, good job. Copy all you want, Xiaomi.
You're goddamn right.
On the back, we see the triple camera setup as expected, with a 48 megapixel lens and a 12 megapixel one and a time of flight lens, which is a 3D technology, so would definitely be for background blur in photos. And maybe, just maybe, it could also be for augmented reality.
Okay, that's cool.
We see a rainbow-like gradient at the back of the phone. This is gonna change in color based on the angle at which the phone is held and how light hits the back of the phone. That's a pretty neat trick, and is even cooler than the gradient phones we have seen in the past. This is also seen at the top camera lens. I bet this will be the 48 megapixel lens. This is some impressive attention to detail. Good job, Xiaomi.
Good job!
We can also see the specs of the device on the settings page. It's in Chinese, so we can't read it, but we can see the numbers. 6GB of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage, running MIUI 10.0.1.1, and the processor clocked at 2.84 GHz, which will be the Snapdragon 855. Now this particular device is most likely the entry-level model, as the higher-end model is expected to have up to 10GB of RAM and 256 gigs of onboard storage. I made a video talking about the specs in depth. I'll put a link to it in the description below. So there's been some controversy about the launch date of this device, but a promotional picture of the Mi 9 with the Xiaomi brand ambassador confirms the launch date to be on the 20th of this month, the same day Samsung scheduled for its Unpacked event in San Francisco. Yes, Xiaomi seems to be picking a fight with Samsung, and it will not end well for them.
Yeah, damn right!
Heck, even Huawei, the second largest smartphone manufacturer in the world, didn't want to launch their P20 series at the Mobile World Congress 2018 out of fear of Samsung. They were afraid Samsung was going to overshadow them with their S9 series, and the hype behind the Galaxy S9 pales in comparison to that behind the Galaxy S10. I don't know why Xiaomi will put their event on the same day as Samsung's, but if they don't want to get forgotten, they'd better reschedule like OnePlus did last year against Apple. But it seems the February 20th launch is in China only. The global launch will be on the 24th of this month, just before the Mobile World Congress 2019. That being said, please let me know what you think of these leaks and the launch date battle in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it, and subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech videos like this. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.
Watch where you going, man.
Yo, my bad, man. Yo, watch where you going, man.
You gonna bump me, man. I'm trying to
fall
find my phone.
Listen, I'm trying to do laundry. Listen, stop.
Watch where you going.
Watch where you going.
Watch where you going.
Watch where you going. Yo,